Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DWT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the mover today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the movement within the volume and well above average volume. A lot of stuff in the headlines with oil and so on and so forth. So, not shocking or anything like that, but regardless, from the technical perspective, some updates need to be done. First update is nothing fancy, nothing complicated in regards to levels of support. And the key level of support now going forward is right here at this area at 405. And like I said, nothing fancy. 405 is important because that's simply just where the bleeding finally stopped on the day. I mean, the price gapped down, and then after the gap down, the price just continued to bleed and bleed and bleed. But then finally, the price at least just started to go sideways. And again, that sideways point is what I'm calling support right there at 405. So does that mean that this is for sure the bottom? No, but at this point, it at least makes logical sense to think that maybe this is some sort of bottom because the price has started going sideways. Case in point, let's just say that right now the price was literally still just going straight down, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally still going down. But in this situation, the price has at least started to go sideways. So does that mean it's a guaranteed bottom? No, of course not. But does that mean it's at least a rational, a logical thought to have? Absolutely. So keep an eye on 405 going forward from the support side of things. Now, in the event this is some sort of bottom and the price starts to bounce, let's talk about some areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance is going to be this former area of support back here at $4 and basically 18 cents. If you go back here, you can see this was a very clear level of support, and that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken, and you can see it was broken early this morning, they tend to act as resistance, and that's actually already played out. Not perfectly, but there is definitely a whole lot of price congestion after the price broke below it right at that level. So it makes sense why, that is now going to be that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, next level of resistance after that would be up there at that area, which sits at about 425. So overall, rough day, but still a few more days left this week, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.